Hi, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to our travel vlog. We are in Dubai, which is a small city on the northern coast of the Red Sea. Leaving from the city, we are next going to visit a wadi. So on the way, stopped at this petrol station and had breakfast from a Kerala restaurant. So next we are moving to Wadi Disa. Including Dubai, the few places which we have recently visited all belongs to the Tabuk region. So Wadi Al Disa, which we are going to visit now, is one of the famous valleys in the Tabuk region, and it has been also one of the prominent natural tourist destination. As you can see, the route towards this wadi is also very beautiful with these red mountains. So now we have almost reached the place. If you have a four-wheeler, you can drive through this place or else park your car and then enjoy walking through the wadi. This wadi is located in a mountainous area, and the weather of this area is warm during summer and mild during winter, which makes it suitable for planting. Still, after spending here 3 or 4 hours, we were not able to reach the end of the wadi, but all of us really enjoyed. It was a very good experience, and the natural beauty here is beyond words. You will really enjoy. So, if you are visiting this area, you should definitely visit this wadi. It's a must place to visit. And if you don't have a four-wheeler, you can also walk through this place, and it's going to give you a beautiful experience. So while moving from this place, it was almost sun setting. So next we are moving to Umluj. This night we will be staying at Umluj. Next day morning we are on our way to the beach. Umluj is also another beautiful coastal area of Saudi Arabia. Today the climate wasn't that clear. As you can see, the color of the sea and the sky is almost the same. Now the time is almost 11 a.m. Now the climate has slightly changed. Now we can clearly see the sea with the three shades. It's a very beautiful beach, but unfortunately we are not spending much time here in Umluj. We are directly moving to Yambu, so we didn't much enjoy in Umluj. So quickly to our hotel, and after being fresh, we are next moving to Yambu. Seeing this beautiful beach, we really felt sad as we couldn't enjoy much. In Umluj, they have got boating services and other entertainment programs. So inshallah, we will come again. So now we are off to Yambu.